Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own ChatGPT-style chatbot using Python, Gradio, and Groq, and then deploy it for free on Hugging Face. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. First, we open ChatGPT and type, I am going to make a chatbot using Python, Gradio, and Groq, and will deploy it on Hugging Face. For this purpose, I need two files, requirements.doixt and app.pi. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates the complete code for both files. Now, we go to the Groq website and create an API key. Don't forget to copy it immediately. Once you leave the page, it will disappear forever. Head over to Hugging Face, click on your profile icon, and select New Space. Give your app a name, add a description. Set the license to MIT. Choose Gradio as the SDK, select visibility, public or private, and hit Create Space. After the space is created, I created a file named app.pi and pasted the code generated by ChatGPT. Then I did the same for requirements.txt. Tip: you also need to create a Hugging Face API key. Require it. I ran into an error, but no worries. I simply copied and pasted the error message into ChatGPT and it gave me the solution right away. You can do the same. ChatGPT is a great debugging partner. After resolving some issues and running the app, here's how the chatbot looks on the front end. Let's test it. You can see it works beautifully and responds just like ChatGPT. So that's how you can make your own AI chatbot using Python, Gradio, and Groq in just a few minutes. This bot can answer your every query. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple AI tutorials.